Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and the cherry on top of a bathroom remodel is definitely the beautiful hardware that you put up at the end. This is a 7-piece bathroom hardware set from MengxFly. I love the matte black finish. It matches perfectly with our bathroom, and I love the square design. It just looks really modern and sleek. This hand towel holder is the perfect size. It looks great next to our black wallpaper, and I love the toilet paper holder as well. It has a little lip at the end to keep the toilet paper in place. These hooks are for attaching to your shower tile, so no need to make any holes in your tile. They stick right on there, and it's great for holding your loofahs or things of that nature. They look so good. And you also get two of these little hooks that you can put on the wall for towel holding as well. And the regular size towel holder. It just pulls the bathroom together so nicely. We even include these white gloves to protect the finish and all the hardware you need for an easy installation process. You're gonna love the quality of their metals. The finishes are so nice and they're really easy to install. So definitely check them out, and that's my point of view.